Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can clean your PC. First we need to open our caching, and here you can see there are lot more dirt we need to clean up. For this we need to use this and clean like this. So you can see it shows us good result. After that we need to open all of this and open carefully for this. First I'm going to open my graphics card, and you can open this carefully. If you see any pin is installed here, then easily open this. Then I'm going to open my RAM. Open it carefully. And the last one, we need to open our fan and unplug this. So you can see I open all of this. Now I'm going to use this two type of brush. You can see the toothbrush and the soft brush. So in soft brush, I'm going to clean my motherboard like this. So I clean it little bit. Now I'm going to open my hard disk. Unplug this. From here, you need to clean this. And inside, use this type of brush, like this. This is the hard brush. In the RAM slot also, you can clean like this. We need to clean this. And you can also clean this. Clean our graphics card like this. In this part, we need to use soft brush. This brush. And in the port, we need to use this brush. And then we need to clean our RAM like this. So you can see our CPU fan. I'm going to open this for further clean. Open like this way. First unlock this two. Then you can easily open your fan. You can see the lot dirt inside. I'm going to use this brush. And then I'm going to clean this. You can also use this brush, hard brush like this. So our clean processing is done. I'm going to open this one and use brush. Now I'm going to install all of this. and install this. Now I'm going to install the cell like this. Then I'm going to install my graphics card. Then hard disk. So guys, in this way you can easily clean your PC. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.